Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos, as I upload my new videos every Monday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every week. Okay, so my today's video is really very interesting. I'll be showing you guys different simple one piece you can wear on your regular basis, and it's best for summer as well. Since it was my birthday month, I ordered many of the things, like not many, only 5 one piece. So I'll show you those one piece. You can go and order from there, or you can just go and buy. Yeah, I'll put the links in the description box. And it is really casual, it is very simple. You can wear in office, you can wear anywhere. It's really simple and yet comfortable, yet stylish. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved it. Yes, so don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Yeah, and subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Links are given in the description box. Okay, bye bye. See you in next video.